Hello, everyone. This is Andrea,
Nika,
and Micah.
representing YU International, and we are here at the European Parliament of Brussels for the first day of the European Youth Week. Today, we are starting off with the plenary session at the hemicycle. We will then be split in our breakout sessions in different rooms.
And this is also going to be the overarching theme of our panel discussion.
So we did our first session in the plenary. We received a video message by President of the European Parliament, Roberta Metsola, and President of the European Commission, Ursula von der Leyen. We then had the chance to talk to different speakers, and then we finished with a musical performance by Orestes Papatrifonos.
So we just finished our first session, which in my case was about activism and how you can come from social media activism to the table, decision-making table. And now we're waiting to get maybe some free merch.
I just finished my second part housing quest about the problem of European housing, how affordable can house be, and the most important, how young people and youth can afford the house.
So what was your third session, and what insights do you have about it?
My section was about tourism general. It was very nice. There was a smaller group where we took like free we had case studies basically and tried to figure out with the profile of the young people the kind of challenges they face, and we came up with solutions of how to solve those challenges basically. I really liked it.
So we're here with Lares Voicu from the European Youth Forum as the president. Lares, what are the main takeaways of today?
So, well, apart from the transformative power and amazing energy that's bringing together in spaces like these and these exchanges actually bring us, apart from that, I think one of my main takeaways for today is from this morning's session where we spoke a lot about the cost of living crisis and how the affordability crisis actually affects young people. And I think being in that room and speaking to our peers and realizing just how many of us, statistically speaking, are in a very precarious situation, whether it's work-wise or housing situation-wise, I think it really shows all of us, or it should show all of us, that our problems are a lot more common than we think, and that the fight to solve them and the fight to stand up for our rights needs to be a shared one. Otherwise, it just won't work out. So I think I'm leaving today with a sense of, shared struggles, but also solidarity in terms of how we can, come up with solutions and make them happen.
Thank you.
Hello, everyone. So, European Youth Week is over. We are at the closing event.